Let's try the Cadbury's Dairy Milk and Biscoff Inclusions Easter egg. Quite a few of you told me to try this. Apparently these truffles, or these little like Biscoff chocolates, are really nice. You get a whole large egg and you get a packet of the mini chocolates as well. Let's give one of these a go first. This Easter egg has been sat in my car and it's cold outside, so this chocolate is probably going to be freezing cold. It's like the new bar that they've just released, just in small squares. They're so good. Now the egg looks like this. This egg is freezing cold because it's literally been in the car. It's not going to break. I might just have to bite into it. So it looks like that. It's a bit like the Biscoff bar that they have with the biscuit pieces inside. It's basically that, just in an egg shaped. It's not as crunchy, like the chocolate isn't as crunchy as what I thought it was going to be, considering I had it out in the car. I find with this, and the same with their bar as well, the biscuit pieces don't really add much of like a Biscoff flavour. It kind of makes it taste a bit weird. It doesn't really taste like Biscoff. And why does this egg not taste like Cadbury's chocolate? I'm so confused. This does not taste like the Cadbury's chocolate that I know. Is it because it's been in my car? I don't know, but it just tastes a bit weird. I mean, I still like it, but it doesn't taste like normal dairy milk. It doesn't taste like Biscoff at all. Their new bar, the filled Biscoff one, that is amazing. This is kind of average. I feel really weird about this Cadbury's egg. Cadbury's is normally my favourite. Like, I normally love it, as we all know. But there's something different. And I don't know why. These, on the other hand, are amazing.